What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Amazon.com with the ticker symbol AMZN. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. The last Amazon video got 16 likes. Make sure you hit the like button down below, guys. It only takes a few seconds, helps out the channel a lot, and it lets me know that you guys like to see more Amazon videos. So let's see what happened to Amazon. Well, basically, I was looking for a possible another leg down back here last week. Price was trading right around the 180 level. It looks like price definitely had this prior impulse in play. It could start a second impulse, and then that did not occur because the price was just too bullish. You see that price could not even stay below that 172 level, which was prior support, and we just rallied back up all the way to this high of the uptrend. Right where the prior all-time high is at. So we're making a double top right at the prior all-time high, but that doesn't mean price can just reverse just because of that. This is still bullish. Why? Because we're still above this trend line right here, so we still have this bullish trend line in play, and we could see further upside. This could be a back test of this trend line break right over here. So you see that if I draw this trend line off the swing lows, this fits pretty good. Could be just a back test of it to find resistance, but I don't think it's really that going to be in that much of in play right now. Let me just clear up the chart, make it simpler to look at. So basically, we're right at the highs or prior all-time highs, highs of the uptrend. Expecting higher prices soon because this trend is still pretty strong. But in the meantime, we have to wait and see what's going to happen. Are we going to break out? No one knows for sure, but as long as we're still above this trend line, that's a good sign. It could lead to a breakout. Let's say we get rejected. I would say price is coming back down to the 172, 173 level. We could just be starting a range pattern where we're just trading sideways with these wide swings. So something like this is also on the table. So again, we'll have to wait and see what Amazon wants to do. Is it doesn't want to break out and make new all-time highs, or are we going to get rejected from this all-time high and then continue lower towards the 172? We'll have to wait and see. As right now, which is the most likely situation to play out? Probably the breakout, because we are above this trend line right here. But if we fall below this trend line, there's really not that much stopping the price from continuing to drop lower and lower all the way to the low 170s. So that's all I see on the daily chart, is just wait and see. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Let me go back to the daily chart. I think that earnings report was already released. They beat the earnings, they beat the revenue. And then the technicals were also pretty bullish. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. And weekly chart shows that price is in a very strong uptrend. Basically, you already made two large legs up. This is all one leg right here in the past. This was the start of the second leg. Target met and exceeded, and we're still looks like we're trying to push up higher. So again, expecting a breakout of the 188, 199 level, and eventually we're going to see the 200s for Amazon. I don't think this is going to be the top. I still think it's going to continue to push up higher and higher. You can even draw a trend line off of the swing lows, still in a bullish state. If you draw a trend line off of this swing right here to the most recent swing, we're above that. So let me go and clear up the chart to reduce confusion. We have this trend line right here of the first three swings on the bottom, and we have this other trend line right here a little bit steeper. So we're just having a steeper and steeper angle of attack, and you see that fits pretty good right there, where we have the initial point, the second touch, the third touch, and now it looks like we're still above that. And if we clone it or copy it to the other side, it looks like we have a nice channel that's working its way up. So we have a nice uptrend channel in play right at the prior all-time high. There's a good chance price will break it, but again, you can't just expect price to break levels. It can always act as resistance like we're getting right now. But again, expectation is to push through eventually. So I'm expecting the 200s eventually. So all I have for Amazon on the daily weekly charts. Maybe we can look at a longer term target. This is one large leg right there. This is the second leg, and that takes price right around to the 203. So expecting higher prices, even if we're finding temporary resistance at this high right now. So all I have for Amazon on daily weekly charts. Most likely I'll give you guys an update next week Wednesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.